Most people think lobster is the ultimate luxury seafood. But what if this alien-looking creature, that can punch harder than a bullet, is actually the better value? Today on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're breaking down Mantis shrimp versus lobster, taste, price, value, and whether either one is really worth your money. Stick around because the winner might shock you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for smart food comparisons, real-world buying advice, and everyday truths most people never explain. Despite the name, a mantis shrimp isn't actually a shrimp. It's a stomatopod, a distinct order of marine crustacean with over 450 different species. Found in tropical and subtropical waters, they are powerful predators that generally fall into two categories: spearers, which use sharp, barbed claws to impale soft-bodied prey, and smashers, which are famous for a very different reason. What makes the smasher mantis shrimp famous is its punch. Using a specialized appendage called a dactyl club, it strikes with the speed of a .22 caliber bullet. The acceleration is so extreme it boils the water around it, creating a secondary shock wave that can stun or kill prey, even if the club misses. This 1-2 punch is strong enough to obliterate shells, and even crack aquarium glass. But their power isn't their only superpower. Mantis shrimp possess some of the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with 16 photoreceptor types compared to our 3. They perceive a world of color and light that we can't even begin to imagine. But here's what many people don't know. In parts of Asia, the Mediterranean, and Australia, this formidable creature is considered a delicacy. It's sold both live from tanks to ensure maximum freshness and frozen for broader distribution. Its meat is prized for being exceptionally sweet and tender, often compared to the finest lobster or crab. However, getting to that delicious meat requires serious skill, as both harvesting and handling this animal presents a unique set of challenges. Lobster, on the other hand, needs no introduction. It's one of the most recognizable luxury seafoods in the world, commonly boiled, grilled, or served with butter in high-end restaurants. Lobster is prized for firm, meaty texture, mild sweetness, familiar flavor most people already love. It's safe, predictable, and widely available, which is exactly why it commands a premium price. But does price automatically mean better value? Let's talk taste. Mantis shrimp meat is slightly sweeter than lobster, softer and more delicate. Rich, almost crab-like lobster meat is firmer and chewier, mild and buttery, more consistent from bite to bite. If you prefer bold, sweet seafood flavors, mantis shrimp may surprise you. If you like reliable texture and familiarity, lobster still wins. Taste-wise, this one is closer than most people expect. Here's where things get interesting: the price tag. When you're standing at the seafood counter, what are you actually paying for? Lobster's high price is a familiar story. Demand is global, stretching from North American shores to fine dining tables in Europe. Supply is carefully regulated with strict fishing seasons and size limits to maintain sustainability, which keeps market availability tight. And let's be honest, it's a status food. Ordering lobster signals celebration and luxury. In North America, you might pay a premium, but that price is relatively stable. Mantis shrimp, on the other hand, is a wild card. In regions where it's a delicacy, like Southeast Asia, it can easily cost as much, or even more, than lobster. Why? First, it's dangerous to catch and difficult to handle, requiring special care from the boat to the kitchen. Second, it isn't mass-marketed. There's no global, streamlined supply chain, making it a rare find in most Western countries. But the sticker price isn't the whole story. Let's talk yield. A lobster typically yields about 20 to 25% of its weight in edible meat. It's a known quantity, giving you predictable value for your money. You know what you're getting. Mantis shrimp offers a different kind of value, a unique experience. While its meat yield can be surprisingly high, especially in the tail, the real investment is in its novelty. You're not just paying for the meat itself, you're paying for the rarity, the skill required to prepare it, and the sheer shock factor of this incredible creature. It's a culinary adventure. From a home-cook perspective, lobster is far more practical. Mantis shrimp can be dangerous to handle, requires experience to prepare, is hard to find in most countries. Lobster is widely available, easier to cook, more forgiving if you're a beginner. So unless you know what you're doing, or live somewhere mantis shrimp is common, lobster is the safer home option. So, which one is really worth the money? Choose mantis shrimp if you want a rare seafood experience, bold, sweet flavor, something unforgettable. Choose lobster if you want reliable quality, easier preparation, classic luxury value. There's no single winner. It depends on what you value more, experience or consistency. And so, the final verdict lands on your plate. We've explored the journey from ocean floor to dinner table, comparing the exotic, powerful mantis shrimp against the classic, celebrated lobster. We've weighed the nuances of their flavor, from the mantis shrimp's uniquely sweet and firm profile to the lobster's rich, buttery tenderness. We've broken down the cost, the yield, and the sheer effort involved in preparing each of these prized crustaceans. But now, the most important opinion is yours. We genuinely want to hear from you. After seeing the evidence, which would you choose for your next special meal? Are you an adventurous eater, ready to take on the challenge and unique taste of the mantis shrimp? Or do you find the timeless, reliable luxury of lobster to be the undisputed king of crustaceans? Considering everything, the price tag, the preparation, and that final delicious bite, which one do you believe is truly worth the money? Drop your detailed thoughts in the comments below. We're not just asking, we read every single response to understand what you, the consumer, truly value. Your experience and perspective help shape our future content. And speaking of the future, if you found this deep dive helpful and want more smart, no-nonsense food and product breakdowns, take a moment to support the channel. Liking this video and sharing it with a fellow seafood lover helps us reach more people. Most importantly, subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 so you never miss a comparison. We're always looking for the next great showdown. What should we compare next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click that notification bell. It's the best way to ensure you're the first to know when our next investigation drops. Thank you for watching. Until next time, choose smarter, spend wiser.